Hi guys, today I would like to show you these new toys that we've got. I've been looking at these for a while, called an iRobot. This one's a Braava Jet, which is the mop. Okay, well that's cool. Got these different little mop heads and some solution. I've got the iRobot already powered up. Had to downloaded the app on an iPad and also on my phone. So I'll start it up, run through I assume the setup procedure, and we'll see if it works. Okay, I've been here about half an hour now, and I've tried using the wizard to go through and add the robot, but it can't see it. So I'm going to have to do it a different way. I tried it. It says if you've got a robot vacuum mop to use the combo. That's not working, so I'm going to try just adding the robot. So this something to do with it. I don't know how you connect it to the Wi-Fi. It says it's got to connect. It can connect via Bluetooth or on a Wi-Fi, but it's not immediately obvious. Going through this other way, it's telling me to use a totally different way to sort of trigger the robot. And I've also noticed by looking at the settings of the Braava Jet, you have the amount of water. So it says for most messes or deep cleaning, so there's 3 options. So I've gone down to light messes and I've altered it to minimum spray. So let's give it a go. Let's just go to mop everywhere and see what happens. Okay, so this one's having a look at the other mop. Not the other mop, the other unit. Okay, so I put the wet, reusable mop on the bottom of it. Okay, that's cool. It's certainly shining the floor up. Okay, so I did read a comment that this fluid actually really smelt, and the guy who wrote that comment said he was really sensitive to it, and he needed the windows all open. I can't smell anything. I smelt it when I put it in the bottle. It smelled really pleasant. Okay, so as a little bit of a control, I'm just going to wipe this with just a rag. It's doing as good a job as what I would do with my cloth that I've just demoed. So what you do is you've just got this little container, so it's got a little door on it, so you just open the door, pick out the water bottle, open the water bottle, and then we've got this Braava Jet iRobot solution. You pour half of that into here, fill the rest with water, and we'll get this one cleaning. I did check this out on Amazon, and for I think it was half a litre, it's £14.95. So, what do you think? I don't say you have to use this. You could use water, but you know, if you need a cleaning solution, this is the only one you can use. And I did, before I bought these products, these 2 units, I did speak to the iRobot technical team, and they said that these are all good to use. So I was a bit worried that this thing's going to spray water everywhere. This is a Moduleo luxury vinyl floor, and it does say in the manual, as long as it's well sealed. I'll just give that one a little press, see what he does. Well, this one's... Ooh. Oh, that one's cute. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what the point of the dry mopping is over the hoovering up, but anyway, just to pick up the dust, I suppose. Okay, so really pleased with the vacuum cleaner that's been around this kitchen area. We've got the wet mop going now with a reusable, washable sort of pad. And again, I'm really pleased with this. I wasn't initially. It is giving the floor a shiny sheen. Obviously, it goes everywhere as the other one. It's intelligent. There was a few really grinding hard spots of food on the floor that it couldn't get up, but even with a manual, like a wet cleaning wipe, I struggled to get that off, so I'll give it the benefit of the doubt on that. But everything else, it's making a good job. So all in all, really pleased with both units. Before it was a bit streaky. I've not seen that today, so really good. Where are you? Well, there he is. Okay, I just wanted to give a quick update on the little robots, and as you can see, I've got this one going away around here, doing a great job. We've lifted some chairs, give them some space. That's the only thing really I would say, is you need to give them room. You know, we've got some bits and bobs here, some chair legs and things. They do navigate around it quite well. But as we can see here, nice clear run, and they've done a great job on that. Rather than come down and have to start hoovering and cleaning on Sunday, I've got these two robots to do it, which is great.